Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina and today we're going to be going over shape tools in Illustrator. Alright, so we're in Illustrator here and the shape tools are here under the curvature tool. So as you can see, there's a rectangle tool, keyboard shortcut M. There's also the ellipse tool, polygon tool, star tool, and the line segment tool. So most of these tools are pretty similar. You just click and drag out and make your shape the dimensions you want it to be. If you want to make it a square, you hold shift. When you make these shapes, it starts in the corner and then you drag it out. But if you want it to do it from the middle, you can hold Alt and it will create the shape from the middle and both sides will go out at the same time. Or if you hold shift and Alt, it will make it a perfect square and expand it from the middle. With the ellipse tool, it's the same. You click and drag and create the shape out from the point that you clicked. If you click shift, it'll constrain proportions, and if you hold alt, the place that you clicked will be its center point from which it expands. Additionally, with all of these, instead of clicking and dragging out, you can just click once and this box will come up where you can type in the dimensions that you want for your shape, and you can do that with all of these. The polygon tool is a little bit different because if you double click on the page, this box will come up and you can choose the amount of sides that you want your shape to have, as well as its radius. The star tool as well, you can customize by clicking on your artboard. Radius 1 will be either the inside or the outside, and radius 2 will be either the inside or the outside. It depends which one you put as the bigger one. So if I do 2 inches for one and 4 inches for another, then one of the radiuses, radii, what's the plural of radius? One will be the smaller dimension you plugged in, and then the other will be the larger. And then we have the line segment tool. This one, you just click and drag and then let go and make a line. And that's it. And you can edit it just like you can edit any other line segment you might make with the pen tool. You can select an anchor point and change that around. You can take the stroke and make it bigger. You can cap the ends and things like that. Also, you can edit the line with the line tool as well if you have it selected, instead of having to go to your selection tool. So that's how you use the shape tools in Illustrator. So this is part of a video series that I'm doing going through Illustrator piece by piece. It includes some of the simpler parts like this video, but there are probably going to be some more complex ones as well. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep learning.